What's happening, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video, and someone requested, Alex, can you please change the intro or leave it out? Well, I'm just gonna try that for this video. I'm not gonna include like the little cloud, intro that you guys have all seen. So if you guys want me to make a new intro, which I'm kind of afraid of, because the intro that I have right now is kind of my trademark, the little character that pops up with like the music. It's just what I always have been using, and it's kind of scary to to try something else. But if you want me to try and make a different intro, let me know in the comments. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to upload your videos straight from Vegas Pro 15 onto YouTube, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So no intros, I would say let's go to Vegas.
Alright guys, so now that we are in Vegas Pro 15, this is going to be my finished video that I want to have uploaded onto YouTube. So what we're gonna do first of all is we're gonna make sure that we're gonna select the entire video, which is going to be, I'm gonna make sure that everything is selected like so. I'm gonna make sure that everything is highlighted. Then what we're gonna do is, usually we would just go ahead and click on File and Render As, and then basically just wait 4 years until it rendered and then upload it to YouTube. But what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna scroll down until it says Share Online. Obviously, you can just go ahead and upload, videos to Facebook and Vimeo. If you guys want to make me a video like how to upload your videos from Vegas Pro to Facebook or to Vimeo, let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Okay, so moving on. So as you can see right now, it says upload to YouTube. So we're gonna click on there, and then basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and give this a title. I'm just gonna call this how to motion track text and images, and then description I'm just gonna fill in blank because we're gonna do that later on. Then the tags, we're gonna also do that later on, so I'm gonna just also type in blank for now. Then the broadcast options is going to be private, obviously, because if you're gonna put this on public, your video is gonna go live with a blank description and blank tags, and it's not gonna be helpful. So what we're gonna do then is we're gonna keep this on private. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pick the render quality. We're gonna put that one to higher, and we want to make sure that we select render and upload loop region only, so it will basically render and upload this video that we all selected. So we're gonna click on there, and then we're gonna hit upload. Okay guys, so now that the video has finished rendering, we're gonna go ahead and type in our email address. We're gonna also type in our password, and then we're gonna go ahead and log in. You want to click allow, and as you can see right now, the file is uploading to YouTube. So it's going pretty fast. It depends on your internet speed, obviously, because if you're gonna have like a really slow internet speed, this can take a while. But if your internet speed is decent or very fast, it will only take like a minute or so. Okay guys, as you can see right now, the video is on YouTube. It is on private, and if you click on edit, as you can see right now, it just is the title, and right here it says blank, and at the bottom it also says blank. This is basically how you upload your videos from Vegas Pro onto YouTube. So what we're gonna do first of all is you can just go ahead and fill in your description right here and your tags like you always do. So this is how it's done.
So guys, that is basically how to upload your videos straight to YouTube from Vegas Pro 15. So that's it, guys. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for the continued support. I'll catch you guys obviously in a brand new video tomorrow, as always, on the channel. So thank you for the continued support, and I will catch you guys obviously in tomorrow's video.